Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve page 54 from countdown 4. Now number A. Number A says look at the numbers. Are they prime or composite numbers? Before solving number A, we have to understand what is prime number. So at first, which is prime number? Prime number. Prime number is that number which has only two factors. Only two factors. And that is 1 and itself. 1 and itself. So we can say that prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. For example, we can say 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5, 7, 11, 13. These numbers are prime numbers. And an interesting thing is that 2 is only even prime number. 2 is only even prime number. And rest of the prime number are odd. So 2 is only even prime number and rest of the prime numbers are odd. Number A says, look at the numbers, are they prime or composite numbers? So how can you identify? So at first 35. 35 is not a prime number. 35 is composite number. Why? Because 35 has more than two factors. 35 is equal to 1 multiplied by 35. This is the first factor. And 35 is equal to 5 multiplied by 7. That means 35 has more than two factors. So 1, 5, 7, 35 are factors of 35. That's why 35 is not prime. So 35 is composite number. So I'm writing C here. Now, number 2, 37. 37 is a prime number because 37 has only two factors, 1 and 37. That's why we can say 37 is prime number. Similarly, 41. 41 is a prime number. Why? Because 41 has only two factors, 1 and 41. That's why 41 is also a prime number. Now 33. 33 is not a prime number. It's a composite number. Why? Because we can divide 33 more than two factors. 1 multiplied by 33, that is a factor of 33, and 3 multiplied by 11. So we can say 33 has four factors, 1, 3, 11, 33. That means 33 has more than two factors. That's why we can say 33 is composite. Now 72. 72 is an even number. 72 is an even number. And we know that only 2 is even prime number. So 72 is composite because you can divide the 72 by a lot of number. You know, 72 at first even. So that's why 72 is not prime. And you will see if you divide 72 by 2, you will get 36. If you want to divide 72 by 3, you will get a lot of number. 3 2s are 6 and 12, 3 4s are 12. You can divide the 72 by 4 also. So 4 1s are 4 and 32, 4 8s are 32. You can divide the 72 by 6. So 6 12s are 72. You can divide this 72 by 8. So 8 9s are 72. So look at this. It has more than two factors. So 72 is not prime. 72 is composite. Now number 6. Number 6, 54 is also composite because it's an even number. Only 2 is even prime number and rest of the even number are composite. And if you find out the factors of 54, you will get more than two factors. What about 57? 57 is not prime. 57 is composite. Why? 57 is divisible by 3. How can you understand? If we add 5 plus 7, that means the digits of 57, it will be 12. 12 can be divisible by 3. So 57 is also divisible by 3. So we can say 3 is a factor of 57. So look at this, 57 is equal to 1 multiplied by 57. And you can divide 57 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 27, 3 9s are 27. So 57 has four factors, 1, 3, 19 and 57. That means 57 has more than two factors. So 57 is not prime. 57 is a composite number. Now 81. 81 cannot be a prime number. That's a composite because you can divide 81 by 9. We know that 9 9s are 81. So obviously 81 has more than 2 factors. Look, 81 we can write 1 multiplied by 81. We can divide 81 by 3. So it will be 3 2s are 6 and 21 3 7s are 21. We can divide 81 by 9. 9 9s 81. So look at this. 81 has more than 2 factors. So 81 is not a prime number. 81 is composite number. Now 83. If you look at 83, 83 is a prime number. So how can you understand? Because 83 has only 2 factors, 1 and 83. That's why we can say 83 is prime number. Now think carefully, then answer these questions. So we have to answer these short questions. Are there any even prime numbers? Yes, there are only one even prime number, and that is 2. 2 is only even prime number. Okay, and prime number starts from 2. So we can say 2 is only even prime number. Prime number. Because it has only 2 factors. It has only 2 factors. It has only 2 factors. 2 factors, and that is 1 and that is 1 and 2. Because we know that prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. Now number 2. Number 2 says how many composite numbers and how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 50. Let's look at the numbers between 1 and 50. Here, if you see, then you will see that there are total 50 numbers. And from these 50 numbers, some numbers are prime. So we have to find out which number is prime. Then some numbers are composite. So we have to find out which one is composite. And some numbers neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. That means we have to find out how many prime numbers are there, how many composite numbers are there, and how many neither prime nor composite numbers are there. Look at this. At first, this one is neither prime nor composite. So from 1 to 50, one number is there that is neither prime nor composite. Now we have to find out which one is composite. We can easily find out which one is composite. How? Look, a number ends with 0 is composite. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 will be composite. Very simple. A number ends with 5 is composite. 15, 25, 35, 45 is composite. Why? Because 15, 25, 35, 45, every numbers are divisible by 5. So that number is composite because that number has more than 2 factors. And every even number except 2 is composite also. Why? Because every even number is also divisible by 2. So 4, 6, 8, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42, 44, 46, 48. These numbers are composite because these numbers are even number. You know that a number ends with the figure 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. So we can easily remove them because they are composite. Now 21 has more than 2 factors because 3 7s are 21. 21 can be divisible by 3. So 3 7s are 21. That means 21 has more than 2 factors. 27, 3 9s are 27. That means 27 has more than 2 factors. 33 can be divisible by 3. That means 33 has more than 2 factors. 39 is also divisible by 3. That means 3 plus 9, 12 can be divisible by 3. So 39 is also divisible by 3. So we can say 39 has more than 2 factors. So 39 is composite. 49 is also composite because 7 7s are 49. We can easily divide 49 by 7. And another thing, this 9 is also composite because 3 3s are 9. These numbers are composite. So we have to find out how many composite numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So composite numbers, 34 composite numbers. Now, rest of the numbers are prime, so we can easily find out which one are prime. So 2 is a prime, 3 prime, 5 prime, 7 prime, 11 prime, 13 prime, 17 prime, 19 prime, 23 prime, 29 prime, 31, 37 prime, 41, 43, 47. So if you look at this, from 1 to 10, you will get 4 prime number. From 11 to 20, you will get 4 prime number. From 21 to 30, you will get 2 prime number. From 31 to 40, you will get 2 prime number. And from 41 to 50, you will get 3 prime numbers. That means in total, you will get 4, 4, 8 to 10 to 12, 3, 15, 15 prime numbers. So from 1 to 50, you have 15 prime numbers. So we can solve these problems in this way very easily. And there is another formula. That is, if you know that the formula 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, then you can easily find out how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100. This is super simple. Now, number 3. Number 3 says, what is the greatest prime number which is less than 40? So we have to think about from 30 to 40, 31, 33, 35, 37, and 39. 39. So there are 5 odd numbers. And we know that from 31 to 40, we have 2 prime numbers. So which one is prime? We can say these 31 and 37 are prime. 33, 35, and 39 are not prime. They are composite. Why? 39 is divisible by 3. 35 is divisible by 5. 33 is divisible by 3. So they are not prime. So greatest prime number which is less than 40 will be 37. Simple. Now number 4. Number 4 says, what is the smallest prime number between 1 and 100? So we know that prime number starts from 2. And 2 is only even prime number. So we can easily say 2 is the smallest prime number between 1 and 100. Very simple. Now, let's go to our next question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 100? 1 and 100. That means we have to think about last 10 numbers. From 91 to 100. Try to find out which one is prime. 91, 93, 95, 97, and 99. From these numbers, some number are prime. So try to find out which one is prime. So we can easily say that 99 is not prime. Why? Because it is divisible by 3. Why this one is divisible by 3? If you add 9 plus 9, it will be 18. 18 can be divided by 3. So 99 also can be divisible by 3. So we can easily divide 99 by 3. So 99 has more than 2 factors. That means 99 is composite. It is not prime. 93 is not a prime. Why? Because if you add 9 plus 3, it will be 12. You can easily divide 12 by 3. So that's why 93 is not a prime. That is composite. It has more than 2 factors. What about 95? 95, this number ends with the figure 5. So this one is not a prime number. This one is composite. And 91. 91 is not a prime number. It is composite because we can divide 91 by 7. 91 can be divisible by 7. 91 equal to 7 multiplied by 30. Just remove last digit. Then double of this last digit is 2. So subtract this one. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 7 can be divisible by 7. So 91 can be divisible by 7. So 91 is not a prime number. 91 is composite number because it has more than 2 factors. So which one will be left? 97. So we can say greatest prime number between 1 and 100 will be 97. Now number 6. Number 6 says, what is the greatest composite number below 100? So if we look at our last question, then we can easily say 99 is not a prime number. So we can easily say 99 is composite number. So greatest composite number below 100 will be 99. This is very simple thing. Next question says we have to fill in the blanks. Every prime number except something is odd. So we can say every prime number except 2 is odd because 2 is only even prime number and rest of the prime numbers are odd. Number 2, each prime number has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. So 1 and itself will be the factors of a prime number. Okay. Now number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. All composite number have at least 3 factors. That means more than 2 factors means actually 3 factors. So at least 3 factors. I hope you understand this space properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.